Hello everyone, welcome to African Note Food. I hope everyone is well. Today I'm making roasted corn. The corn that I'm using is called white hominy corn. So this one is the one that we have in Ghana that's the skin has been peeled off. It's the one that they use for enchecha. Yeah. So I'm going to roast this to make a preference. Yeah. So I'm going to put this on my tray. It's the same corn as the other one, just that the skin is not on. Yeah. And it's breaking into small pieces. So I'm going to roast this. So here I have about 2 cups of this white corn. I'm going to roast it for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then I'm going to blend it. I'll show you. So it's going to go in the oven on 200 degrees, yeah, for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, our corn is roasted. Nicely golden brown, look. And it's hard, you can't eat that. It's really hard. So we're going to blend this in our spice blender here. So I'm going to put this inside here. I have to do it bit by bit because it's not big enough to put everything inside. So I'm going to blend it. Okay. All right. Okay. So this is the first step. I will do the second one after I finish everything. Yes. Okay, this is how the toasted corn look like. I'm going to blend it again because it wasn't blended enough. Yeah, so I'm doing it again. So, yeah, my first one. Oh, see, now it has turned into powder. Look at that. Beautiful. So you can make your own. You don't need to buy. We bought one from a shop, and I realized that they have corn. So I realized that there's pieces of corn inside, and I find peanuts as well. And I don't like my preference with peanut pieces in there, so that's why I decided to do my own. I couldn't find the proper corn, the Ghana one, but this one does the job as well. So this is how I'm using this one. Yeah, it's beautiful, it's nice, it smells really nice. Yeah, so if you can't find it, or you find a different made, or anything wrong with it, just make your own. Yeah, this is how my corn look like, my roasted corn. So I'm going to use for my preference later on. Thank you for coming today. Hope to see you again, and please subscribe and like, comment, and see you soon. Bye.